video today. So now we have really been doing well on growth rate lately, and everything is already on my YouTube channel. So now what I want us to do is just like a quick review of this trade. Yes, when we eat this TP, when we eat this TP, that was on Tuesday. So I made a video on that particular day, and I said that if gold can what close with a candle like this, a big candle like this, this is action for now. This is our 4 hour time frame. It's close below this candle with a huge candle like this. We are still what's going to sell. I marked this as our what? I marked this zone, this place as our inducement. I said we should wait for what? We should wait for the inducement. After the inducement, we should wait for this other block to be fed. And when it can just see it came exactly to the other block, and what it started reacting off it. Yeah, I actually took a sell. I took this sell, and I got out around here because I saw something on the daily time frame. I saw something on the daily time frame. Let's check it. Yeah, this is what I noticed on the daily time frame. It spiked. So I was like, oh shit, what's going to happen? Is it going to go up or what? But no, I didn't. I didn't even consider a buy. I don't look for a buy. But I know that it is going to retrace into this other block. It is on my live video. You can check. Yes, what I also see this on that. Hey, it is in a other block already. Isn't this one going to buy massively? But I didn't consider that because it also happened just the same way here. It happens the same way here. You can see that when it got inside here, it was like okay, and it cleared this low, and people were going to be like, oh, it is going to buy massively. But understanding market structure and price reaction, what it ought to do, and liquidity. This kind of liquidity is not valid to me. This kind of liquidity is not still valid to me because when we are talking of liquidity, is liquidity clearing according to market structure? Is it clearing regarding to market movement? That is, we can see this big move and what it cleared the liquidity. Yes, it filled this imbalance and other block, blah blah blah. But this thing is this big candle is very 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 too massive. And what you can see that it cleared liquidity, clearing liquidity. And one thing that didn't even made me believe that it is going to buy anytime from now, because it's because of this breakaway gap. We can just see price didn't even feel it before it started moving down. I think being market feel it, we believe that okay, there is high chances that okay, the market is going to go up, and that once it feels it, clear the minor liquidity, it is going to grow up. But it didn't feel it. It means that the market is what even rushing to clear a lot of liquidities. We can see here that it's clear liquidity, and eventually it still what came to break structure right here. So let's get back to the 4 hour chart. So these are 4 hour charts, and if you are just seeing this video, here are the things I will just real quick. I believe that this eye is a protected low. Why no, this is just the what the range. Oh, sorry, this is the what protected eye. I don't expect the market to clear it. Why I was looking, the reason I was looking for market to clear it before is because it didn't mitigate our encroachment in this huge felt value gap. This one didn't mitigate it. I was thinking that I was still looking if it's if because there is high chances that it clears it. If I think it clears it, the market isn't going to move slowly like this. It is going to move with big candle like this. But it didn't feel it. It just got to our what premium zone, and after that, it begins to what move down, move down, move down. So there are a lot of things we consider. We enter at the what we believe that it is going to clear this liquidity as well. This is our Fibonacci to gauge the retracement. We just want to make our charts clean now. We want to clear all these chunks. So we add a liquidity, clear liquidity, break of structure, and retraced. This is the major break of structure that even fascinated me to sell more. And I believe that this is a weak low. I didn't beat the market clear this low. I'm not looking for a sell at all. I'm looking for a buy, but yeah, but the market thought didn't thought this makes this a weak low. So you can see the market broke it massively, and this is where we prospected that the market breaks. And I didn't mean the market also cleared this one on hourly charts. We are looking for buys, but it did it. So we are still looking for sales. So as I said in the last video that I made for good, it is on my channel. So I said that once it break massively like this, we are looking for a retracement to this other block because of this liquidity points, liquidity area. The market needs to what? The market must what? The market needs to clear the liquidity in these inducements. And what you can see, I took say here, and I closed around this place, and what I waited because the market is giving some chances to buy. So I just waited patiently to get to the other block I was looking for, and what it's even cleared liquidity. This is going to sell massively, and what we can see this break of structure. You can see this break of structure. We had this break of structure. Let's go to our hour 1 hour chart. On our charts, if you can see this after the structure broke here, let's make our charts clean. This is the liquidity sweep right here. It's a sweep liquidity on 4 hour charts, and what it also breaks it because this is the break of structure we were fascinated by, and a possible entry for next week is this year I will be looking at. This is what I will be looking at from this zone to this place. If possibly the market tapped into it, or has it okay, the market tapped into it, or we wait for a break. We have gotten a break of structure. Once the market taps into it, we are going to enter at the what? At the 50%. At the 50%. So from here, and what? We are going to target the same low. The same low. So as I've said, it is all about probability, but at times you need to be sure of what is happening. You need to be sure of what we are doing. So this is just the basic of what the market is doing right now. We are going to trade what it is doing, and we are going to sell when it is selling, buy when it's buying. If there is no confirmation, no, we are not going to do any buy. So I took this and I closed before the market closed. So I sell around there. I sold the market around there. And I took my profit right there. So this is just a quick recap of what I said will happen last week. That is, it will clear this liquidity, come into this other block, and what it will sell. I'm not sure it is going to sell. The reason is because the market does act irrational. So let's just prospect and risk little. So in regard of this, let's wait patiently. Have a nice day, guys.